Greetings from I Love New York, and this is the Miracle on 34th Street. Let's take a walk over. Oh, Hudson Yards. There is the edge. We're gonna walk over to Hudson Yards from West 34th and 9th Avenue. Little walk of the neighborhood. One of the most defining areas for audio and visual is this store right here. B&H Photo Video. This is good for filmmakers, broadcasters, as well as casual photographers. New buildings are going up, and they will be filling the sky. The buildings that were here were only at ground level, similar to those. So expect them to be tall. We're walking over to Hudson Yards because there is a concert today from an artist from Colombia, Dyer Avenue. And Diana is performing on the plaza for a lunchtime special, but I wanted to show you a bit of the neighborhood. The post office building right here, West 33rd and 9th Avenue. This is now Moynihan Train Hall, open on New Year's Day. And the world's most famous arena, Madison Square Garden. And there was the marquee for Long Island's very own Billy Joel. That is New Jersey. Those homes that you are seeing, that is across the Hudson River. And when they open up this public space, one of my friends said, you know, they should probably have concerts there. And that's exactly why we're walking over. One Manhattan West. They had sort of a photo op location. It was, I think, called the Lemon Tree, and it was all yellow, and there was lemons out, and that stood in this space for about a year. Quite nice. In the wintertime, there is ice skating in this location, and we are already here with entrances to the High Line. This is the area, I think it was Lemon Drop. Now, if you wanted to get here directly from Penn Station, from Amtrak, from the Long Island Railroad, that is your entrance to Moynihan Train Hall. All right, welcome. Big welcome sign over here, so we'll go with it because I love a welcome sign, especially with so many people visiting from other countries, like today's performer from Colombia. Welcome to Manhattan West. There is 2 Manhattan West, and this is the plaza. It's also a good how-to if you're meeting friends here for ice skating in the winter or an afternoon concert. The concerts in the afternoon in the summertime are Thursdays from 12:30 in the afternoon until 1:30 in the afternoon. Perfect time for the people in these businesses, tall buildings, to step outside and enjoy some music. Oh, summer sounds. I'll show you the whole lineup as we have arrived. And it's gonna be a low-key concert. If you want the high-energy concerts, go over by the Vessel. Those happen on Wednesdays. And there is Colombia's very own Dyer Avenue. Live music at Manhattan West. Give you an idea of who is performing. It's a rather global experience. Today we have Dyer Avenue from Colombia. SAG-AFTRA is in the neighborhood. Good to see you today. SAG-AFTRA in the neighborhood because they are picketing new contracts at HBO and Amazon, which are also businesses located here in Hudson Yards. Empire State Building. And just a little bit more, I want to show you how to get over to the High Line. If you wanted to get back over to a vehicle, you'd step over the right, but if you wanted to continue your walk, this is it. We're gonna walk on up to the High Line, which has been extended to this area. What was here before the High Line? Actually, the High Line area and all of Hudson Yards, because I have lived in this neighborhood before this community came to birth. It was a train yard, a couple of stores, and a lot of trash that was collecting behind wire fences. But the High Line area was a disabled train line. It just wasn't being used, and then trees started growing. That's just a brief summary. And this is the connection. We'll step on in to the High Line. So if you are visiting the United States of America and you swing by Hudson Yards, you may see a free concert. And then you could have lunch, go up to the edge, see the whole view, walk the High Line, see how some trees grew after a train track was left abandoned. A train track above the street was left abandoned. I don't know if they're gonna paint this area. This just opened summer of 2023, and people are saying that it's sort of stands out a bit too much, and some people say it makes it easier to find, being that the High Line is all rustic from having left unabandoned. And then you see this new connector. We shall see. Now these are trees that as well were added. If you go further onto the train tracks, you'll see what was growing there on its own. Again, this is Hudson Yards, starting on 34th Street. That's a pretty famous experience. Again, it is the edge. There are people who will stand on that glass floor above Hudson Yards. They are truly living on the edge. This is an August look, an August walkthrough. We're gonna walk over to 10th Avenue. There's an overlook. Now this fluorescent tree that is here, can't miss it, it's right there. They rotate what art is placed there. So that may not be something you'll be able to find when you come and visit. There have been sculptures here, and who knows what will be next. But you can see them very easily from the road. All right, that's a view of Hudson Yards, a walking tour, and a bit of a concert. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying.